What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what, baby?
I'm bad, and I'm better than ever. Got a neck.
And we are back at it for another reaction video. This is HONK official music video. My bad for getting to it so late, but better late than never. So we about to go ahead and dive straight into it. Like, comment, subscribe. Now, baby, let's vibe. Hit the button, baby. I like how it sounds like there's like honks in the thing too. My bad.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, posted. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got that junk in the trunk and we make it bounce. Tropical taste with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. N-O-N-A on the license plate. Gaga, I bet. Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
I'm not gonna fake it. That part I like. Like, kind of leading up to it, it wasn't really my taste. I'm gonna be honest. It wasn't really my taste. But like this part,
If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
and then it's the build-up of the harmony for me. Like, it's the what? How did she do it?
My own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
It's like all night, all day, all night long. Like the layers on it are the thing that really set it off too. But like, I like that part.
How I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
And see, it's like the all day long. That part, like that. It's the payoff for me that I like. Like, hold on, keep going.
All night, all day,
Like, I really like that part. Okay.
all day, all night, all day long. Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK. Get on the
Okay, because I was trying to understand that part. Hold on, go back. Hold on, what is it? I thought that dance transition was clean. Like the forward cartwheel looking flip thingy. I forget what it's called, but like that was a clean transition right there. I ain't gonna fake it. See that part, I'm trying to understand it. There was one part where it's like I think they said me and my girls or something like that, but it's kind of hard for me to understand it. I'm gonna listen to it again. Okay, something like they said Tokyo to LA, and then keep going. My girls. Party, okay. Okay. So if I'm being completely honest with you, it's not my cup of tea. It's not. It's because it's like I thought that the honking thing in between, like in the music, was creative. It just wasn't for me. You know what I'm saying? Like I did like. Let me see if I can find it. It was a dancing segment that I thought was kind of cool, where she was like in the doorway of like the bus. I think it was. Where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Oh, I think it was right here.
Out of here. Yeah, we in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah, get in the taxi.
I thought that was okay. I thought that was cool. Like I feel like the dancing in it was good. It's just the song for me wasn't for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I just feel like the dancing wasn't for me. But I did like this one part. I told y'all about it, but like this part where she said I got it on my own.
Wondering, baby.
Yeah, wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. Like that part.
Jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby,
Hey.
how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long.
Like I thought that was cool. But it just, like I said, like overall the song just wasn't my cup of tea. But anyway, I'm about to get up out of here though. Peace, baby. Love y'all.